In this video, we are going to show you how to make the shipping address phone number a required field during checkout. So, of course, you need to be signed in. Once you're logged in, I want you to look to the left-hand menu, and what we want to do is click on Settings. It's on the lower left corner, right? So click on Settings. Once you're in your settings page, I want you to click on Checkout. It's over here, right? Checkout. So click on Checkout. Once you are in your checkout, you're going to have a lot of options here. So under customer information, right, there are a lot of options here where you can require this, or you don't need to require this. You're going to see on the very bottom, shipping address phone number. So it says don't include. You have an option to click on required or optional. Of course, we want to, for this video, have it required as they are about to check out whatever it is that they are buying. So click on required. There you go. And this will appear here on top. Unsaved changes, it's either discard or save. Of course, we want to save, so click on save. There you go. And once that's done, you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.